Okay, now discussing about API testing. Okay, so API testing is one. This is very easy topic. Very good. Now we'll discuss. Please go. So this is what application programming interface protocol. Okay, so API testing is application programming. Okay, interfaces. Okay, see this one. Here, first, Postman also comes under this topic. Okay, Postman also comes under this topic. First, you will go to the Google search engine. Okay, then you enter what Postman download. See here. So if you click this one, Google search engine or any search engine, so whatever it is. Okay, so click on what Postman download. Okay, so Postman download, you can click like this. So after clicking this one, the download Postman will be displayed like this. Okay, this is the official website page. So you can click on this one, download Postman. So you can click on the download. So the download will be go to see this one. Okay, so comes under like this. So Postman WIN. Okay, setup. So you can double click on this. Okay, double click on this folder. See this. It is loading. Please wait. I already installed it, but you can install this one. Okay. So previously I already installed. Okay. So what is the step? First step is see this. So first step is see here. It will be displayed like this. Okay. It will be displayed like this. Okay. It is asking at what so enter your work email. Okay. You can click on create for free account. Okay. So you can click on this one, create free account. So after clicking this, it is asking what see this one. So it is asking Postman account. So work email. So you are currently working email. You can give here. ఓకే సో ఓన్లీ వర్కింగ్ ఈమెయిల్ ఓకే వర్కింగ్ ఈమెయిల్ ఏదైతే మీకు వర్క్ అవుతుందో సో ఏదంటే మీరు ప్రజెంట్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారో ఆ వర్కింగ్ ఈమెయిల్ మాత్రమే ఇవ్వండి ఓకే సో వర్క్ లో లేనిది ఇవ్వద్దు ఎందుకంటే ఇది ఒక ఓటీపీ జనరేట్ చేస్తుంది సో ఆ ఓటీపీ అనేది ఇక్కడ ఎంటర్ చేస్తేనే ఇది మీరు లాగిన్ అవ్వగలుగుతారు సో అదర్వైజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ లాగిన్ ఇస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్ ఓకే సో ఓన్లీ వర్కింగ్ ఈమెయిల్ కెన్ బి గివింగ్ to in this checkbox. Okay, so after that you can give the username as your wish. Okay, as your own you can give like this. So password, don't give the Gmail passwords. Okay, so Gmail passwords also accepted, but you don't give the Gmail password. So create separate password. Okay, so by using creating your own. Okay, after that, okay, click on stay silent, then create free account. So you can click on this one, create free account. So you can click on free account, enter valid email ID and create new password. The code is sent to your email and copy the code for verification. You can copy that code. So and paste into the okay, enter here 6-digit code. So after paste the code here, so you can click on the verify account button. Okay. So you can click on that. The home page will be displayed like this. Welcome to our team workspace. Okay. So it is asking some checkboxes. So what is that? Student. Okay. You can click on the student or okay. You can click on student or education. Okay. That button you can click. So after that, you can click OK. Okay. It will be generated. So this is what Windows generation. Okay. This creation is like that Windows creation. So same like that you will go for okay web application also. So web application like this one Postman on the web. You can type on like this. Okay, Postman on the web. See this one. It is also there. Okay, web application also available. Postman web application also available. Okay, this is Postman web application. You can run any one of this. Okay, you can run through any one of these. First one is what Windows Postman application. Second one is what web version. Okay, you can click on any one. Okay, you can click on sign button. Okay, so after see this one. So enter email and password. This is what work. You know already. You know all this one. Workspace. Workspace is what all our work place in a one single place. Okay, all our work into a one single place. That is what UI testing, user interface testing. Okay, so what is user interface testing? So Selenium with Java is also called as a user interface testing. Selenium with Java. Okay, this is what front-end testing. So user interface is also called as front-end testing. Selenium with Java concepts are comes under the UI testing, user acceptance. Easy interact with user objects. Why it is UI testing? It is interact with user objects. Okay, which is available to you. So user interface is available to you. Okay, so this is what this is visible to you. So next, this one, comes under what? Front end testing. So any application contains two parts. What are the two parts? Front end and back end. So what is front end here? Accessing application through URL or accessing application through a server. See this one. This is what? Accessing the application from the server through URL. So we are trying to access what? Different functionalities of the application. Okay, and we are testing. So this is a part of presentation layer. Okay, this is a part of which layer? Presentation layer. This is called what? UI testing. Okay, so backend testing. Backend testing can be divided into two parts. So what is the backend testing divided into two parts? API testing and database testing. So API testing is a backend testing. Okay, API testing is also called as a backend testing. Okay, so it is visible to you. So presentation layer means what? Presentation layer is visible to you. It is what? Front end application. Okay, so API testing is a back end testing. Okay, it is what? User interface is not available in the API testing. Okay, user interface is not available in the API testing. Okay. Database is also comes under this. Okay, the database also comes under the UPI testing. It is what is focus on the backend. So API testing is focus on the backend part. Okay, screens are not visible. If you're using the API testing, screens are not visible. Are you understood? So now, see this one. APIs are dealing with backend part. So there are three types of applications. What are the applications? Web applications, desktop applications, mobile applications. Now, okay, nowadays web applications and mobile applications are important. So desktop applications are not using anyone. So these two applications were currently using. So web applications. See this one. It is what? So now currently, what is the version of Selenium 4.0 plus version? Okay, what is the Selenium protocol now are using? W33 protocol. Okay, see this one. Actual software application is installed on the one server. We are trying to access through the browser. So what is client here? Client is the user or customer trying to browse some application through URL. Okay, the actual application got installed in where server. Okay, server means remote machines in the internet. See this one. Internet. Okay, so web applications are follow client server architecture. Are you understood? Web applications are follow. See this one. Web applications are follow client server architecture means. See here. This is what tier 1 architecture, tier 2 architecture, tier 3 architecture. Okay, 3-tier architecture. So in the tier 1, one tier architecture, presentation and business logic and database layer. These three are comes under this architecture. Okay, what are those? Presentation, business logic, and database layers are comes under the one tier architecture. So two-tier architecture means so client server. So it is working as like client server. So it is what college library, like that intranet. Okay, intranet means this is a college library, one local part. Okay, that is the client server architecture of two-tier architecture. Okay, so it is what internet is not required here. Okay, two-tier architecture, internet is not required. Three-tier architecture means all web applications are accepted in the three-tier architecture. Okay, in that three-tier architecture, all web applications are accepted. Okay, so now see here, what is the client here? See this one. So client is responsible for sending the request belonging of presentation layer. Server means responsibility of the server is what? Receiving the request and processing that request and sending the response to client. So this is what backend layer. That is what database layer. So between client and server, internet plays a role and all devices should be connected with the internet. See this one. Desktop applications are what? Download and install the applications are also. Okay, so this is one. It is what using a MS Word, Excel, PPT, Notepad, calculator. This is one internet version like this. Okay. So mobile applications are apps and software programs are designed and run your mobile devices like what smartphones, tablets. Okay. So you can install the all apps into the Play Store. Like what in the Apple mobile. So click on the Apple App Store. Okay, Android mobiles you can use what Google Play Store. Okay, same like this. So remaining topics will be discussed in the next class of API testing. Okay, so thank you.